All right, so we're here in my Airbnb that's in my backyard. Now I'm about to convert this into a YouTube studio. And some people may be asking, well, why would you do that and lose the income from an Airbnb, which actually pays my mortgage every single month and has for the last couple of years? Why would you convert that into a YouTube studio? Well, first of all, YouTube makes me a lot more money than Airbnb does. However, I'm going to rent this space back to my company for about the same amount that I make each month on Airbnb. And so therefore, renting this to my company is going to still, pay for the mortgage. But at the same time, it becomes a business deduction because this will become the full studio. But I wanted to show you the before, but to show you that this was just a shed in my backyard that I completely converted. You can see here, added that whole wall on the back and added the bathroom. So this is only 200 square feet, but again, added that back wall. You can see, added the TV and a workstation. By the way, if you do Airbnb, when you add a desk, it becomes a work environment type Airbnb, so that gets you ranked a lot better as well. We put in these ceramic tile wood looking floors and just carried that all throughout into the bathroom. And this is the bathroom. Installed a nice shower there with just the glass piece and the sink, toilet. Ran all the plumbing on the back side. There's a storage shed on the other side of that, so we were able to dig into that to run all the plumbing for. But otherwise, this has been a great investment over the last couple of years. I'm gonna miss it, but at the same time, to have this dedicated space for my YouTube studio, nice and quiet back here, no disturbances. And I don't have to have people coming and going, in and out of the backyard anymore. So this is the before. I'm going to do a quick pan around for you, and then you're about to see the after. And now we're going to head inside and see the finished version of the studio. It's absolutely amazing, in my opinion. Let's go check it out. And here we go. All right, so a couple of things that we did. I know I just left a little seating chair right there. Helps whenever you have additional guests in here. Right behind me, you've got the soft light, which lights the back side of your head a little bit. It just gives a nice little touch on the videos. And then you just decorate the shelves with things that are interesting to you. But of course, I love a little Edison bulb lamp right here, and even this is a little crown. It's a salt lamp. It's got Himalayan salt cubes, whatever you want to call that, because Himalayan salt, whenever it's heated, is good for the air, right? Ionization, all that good stuff, healthy stuff if you understand. But it's in a little crown for some people like to joke around and call me YouTube King, so that was just kind of a joke in itself to add that in there. Got a Bluetooth speaker, which sounds pretty awesome if I want to jam some music in here. Got the cover of our book, which is going to be coming out soon in February, actually. Super excited about that. Our magazine cover for real producers. Some additional microphones, cameras, things like that. Also, got the nice lighting over here in the side that just breaks it up whenever you'll see in my videos. You'll see that in the background. Love my little astronaut guy. He actually creates this stars. You can see it a little bit better, but stars and a constellation up here as well. We got soundboard. Haven't filled out that shelf completely. And then you can see right here, a nice big screen TV. I got the command post set up right there. Got my cameras. Now here's the interesting thing. You'll notice right here. You'll notice right here I got a dedicated Reels camera. So I have my front-facing camera and a dedicated Reels camera. So I record at the same time. So anytime I do coaching, training, videos, it doesn't matter. I have it shot in vertical format at the same time, and that makes it super easy for Reels. Over here you see we've got our soundboards all kind of on this front end just to absorb everything that I need to say, or, the audio, you could say. So it gives less of an echo in there as well. But otherwise, and of course, painted that ceiling, and then this is what it looks like. I usually turn the light off. There, now you can kind of see the constellation and the stars a little bit better. But that's what happens. So I turn the light off whenever I'm filming. That just makes me lit very well, keeps the background dark, has all the lighting in the back that just really illuminates the space. Pretty popular for YouTube videos. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, and don't forget my success, my little success neon sign right there, because that's what it's all about, right? Being successful in your own mind and in your own way. And I just absolutely love this studio. Whenever I'm in here, I just feel like I'm in the zone. I feel very productive. It's super quiet. I absolutely love it. So if this is something you're considering as well, I highly recommend it. And like I said, now I rent this studio back to my company. So I just replaced my Airbnb income, as this was before Airbnb. And so I was able to rent it back to my company for the same price. So I'm not losing any income on my behalf. And actually, I don't have to deal with people coming and going in and out of my backyard. So that makes it super cool, super easy. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your comments. What do you think about the studio? What do you like? What should I do? Should I add to it? A little too much, overkill, or is it just right? Let me know, and then we'll see you on the next one.